Hi guys, this is Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see progress bar in Bootstrap. We will go to the Sublime editor. Here in the title tag, we will go for Bootstrap, progress bar. Inside the body tag, we will go for a div tag. Div class equal to double quotes. We will go for container class. Close this one and close the div tag. In between the container class, we will go for h1. Then we will go for the content here. You can give any content here. I am giving Jisan Academy. Close this h1 tag. Then you can go for h2 tag. Close this one and I am giving you a progress bar. Then close this one. Now we will go for another tag, that is a div tag, class equal to double quotes. Then we will go for the progress. Close this one. Close this div tag. In between this progress class, we will go for another div tag, div class equal to double quotes progress bar. Then here you can go for style equal to double quotes with colon. Then you can give any percentage here. I am giving you a 55%. Then double quotes. Then you have to close this tag. Then you can give the content here. I am giving you 55%. You have to give it. Then close the div tag. You can give it here. Then we will close this div tag. You have to close it. We'll save the file. We'll go to the output, that is the browser. Here hello.html, which you have saved in desktop. Refresh it here. You can see now we got the Jisan Academy progress bar, and here 55% progress bar is there. Now you can make it some other percentage. Just I am giving you a, let us see the example of 100% how it comes. Just give it here 100%. 100%. Just go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see now this is the 100% progress bar. You can go for some other. I am giving here around 10%. Let it be. Okay, here also 10%. Save the file. Go to the browser. Refresh the browser. You can see just 10% we got the progress bar. Now we will go for the next one, that is animated progress bar. We will go to the Sublime editor. Here we will go for, after this progress bar, we will go for progress bar dash stripped. then progress bar dash animated, style equal to width, we will make it here around 50%, and here we will delete this one, no need here 10%. Okay, now save the file, go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see now we have the progress bar with animated strips. Now we'll go for the next one, that is multiple progress bar. For that we'll go to the Sublime editor. Here inside this div class, we will go for progress bar. We'll delete this one. Progress bar. Then we'll go for bg dash success. Style will give it here around 30%. Then you can give some content here. I am giving your success. You can give whatever you want here. Then copy this line. Then we will paste it here. Next to that we will paste it, and then we will go for once again paste. Then here we will go for warning, we can give it here, and I am giving here width as 20%, and here you can change it to warning. Then you can go for danger here, change the width to 50%, then you can give it your danger. Now go to file, save the file, come to the browser, refresh the browser. Now you can see that we got the progress bar with 3 colors here, that is one is success, and here is the warning, and danger is there. This is the 30%, here we have 20% warning, and the danger is for 50%. That's about the progress bar. Hope you understand this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.